industry. This unit here holds 270 gallons of water. I just had it manufactured. As you can see, it's got a simple axle on it. It's got to tow it, it's got a 2-inch receiver on the front, and you just put it on. This pin goes through the receiver and tow it out to with your quad or your side-by-side or your pickup or whatever kind of thing to your job site. It has 4 100-watt panels on it. And these panels, they are on just as simple as 4 U-clips on behind, or U-clamps, and you tilt it, whatever side. So you can flip this over to the other side if you want, and you would orient this unit like due south. So we're almost getting into, I guess we're probably close to due south right now, where it's situated. I just parked it here, kind of thing, right? And then as you progress in your season, in the fall time you want to have more of an angle, or in the winter time. And in the summertime, you can flatten it off more too. And you just go on your internet, and you can figure out what latitude we are right now at, and then you set it accordingly to that. We run it on 4 12-volt batteries. Inside it runs, this pump here is running on 48 volts. It has a built-in, our controller is built into the unit here. You can run it on Solar Direct. There's a switch, you put it on Solar Direct so it doesn't run on batteries, or you put it onto battery mode or the off mode. Now this pump here is just a generic pump I've sized with the solar water pump. This is a submergible water pump that I put on a float. This pump will lift 75 feet, and at 75 feet it's putting out 8 gallons a minute. So at your like a 0 or 5 feet of lift, it's putting out 14 gallons a minute. You can drop this down inside a 4-inch well casing, the smallest 4-inch well casing. They have a 2-year warranty on them. And so when I hook them up, from the Solar Buggy, which everything is on quick connect. This is a flexible hose, so in the fall time, when it gets cold out or whatever, this hose is still flexible. It's just all quick connect. You just open this up, put those in, close it down, and that's all it is to it. And then from the pump wire goes back into the controller, and then on the controller there's a probe similar to what this probe is here. That probe will sense the water level in the water trough, and you just move it up and down your water trough to whatever height you want that water level to come up into the water trough. This is a brand new product that Gallagher just came out with. I don't even think they have it on the market yet. So this is a remote sensor it works off a satellite. You put this on your water troughs, or you put it on your water sources, and it will send a signal to the satellite back to an app that's on your phone system. This is the sensor that drops into your water source. So, this comes with a, I don't know, what is this, 3-meter cord?
That one's the 3-meter cord that comes up, anything you want up to 20 meters.
Yeah. So, why don't you just chat a little bit about this? Because
it'll be available starting next month. So, basically, it's a low orbit satellite system. So the bot inside here, that you can kind of see in there, will transmit the level reading based on pressure. So this sensor actually detects water pressure. So when you put it in the bottom of your tank, then you on the app you label how deep your tank is, and it does the algorithm to figure out how full your tank is based on water pressure. It then sends that information up to the satellite, which comes back down to the Gallagher cloud through our app. And then you can go onto your app, look on there, and see a percentage level of where your water is. Whether that's 20 feet deep, 1 foot deep, it doesn't matter how deep it goes. It'll tell you the percentage. Now, if you want to get real technical on something like these here, you could put in the gallons of the size of this tank, and it'll actually start to show you the flow, the amount of water you're using on a day-to-day basis. And that's all pinged via satellite. So this unit will get 6 pings a day, so you're going to get 1 every 4 hours updated to your phone. So it's a brand new product that's coming out. Lee's going to be taking care of most of them around here for us. But yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. You could do it in dams, fuel tanks, water troughs, whatever you can kind of dream up, we can make work. So.